In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up goals in Clickup. If you're looking to track progress and keep your team aligned, setting up goals is a fantastic way to start. Let's dive right into it. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to Clickup's website. Once you're on the Clickup homepage, you'll want to look towards the top right corner for the login button. Go ahead and click on that to proceed. If you primarily use your Google account, now is the time to streamline your process by selecting Sign in with Google. This makes accessing Clickup hassle-free, ensuring that you're always ready to jump right into your workspace. You'll be prompted to select your Google account, so choose the one linked to your Clickup. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the home page of your Clickup workspace. Look for the Goals option, it's usually on the sidebar. Click on it to reveal the Goals section, a hub dedicated to creating and managing your key objectives. In this section, you'll see a button labeled Set a Goal. Clicking this will prompt you to create a new goal. Type in a descriptive name for the goal that conveys what you aim to achieve. Next, select an owner for this goal. This could be yourself or another member of your team. Picking the right owner is crucial as it assigns responsibility and ensures accountability. Here, you will also decide who has access to this goal. You can choose whether it's visible to your entire workspace or keep it private, depending on the nature of the goal. Follow this by specifying a completion date, which helps in prioritizing and scheduling your tasks. You can now move to add a detailed description of the goal. This is an excellent opportunity to provide context and any specific guidelines associated with the goal. The more detailed you are, the better clarity you give to everyone involved. Once satisfied with your entries, you will click on Create a Target. Each goal can have multiple targets, so name your first target descriptively. Assign an owner here as well, choosing from available members just like you did for the goal itself. Next, you'll decide on the type of target. Clickup lets you define targets as numbers, true or false, currency, or tasks. This flexibility means you can customize the tracking clearly depending on the nature of the target, whether it's numerical progress, milestones, financial objectives, or task-based accomplishments. With these selections made, your target is now set. Congratulations, you've successfully set up a goal with targets in Clickup. This functionality is designed to keep your objectives clear and your progress in check, helping your team stay aligned and productive. Keep fine-tuning your goals as needed, and soon you'll see the difference it makes in your productivity and focus. Happy goal setting!